All right, today I'm at Sand Lake. When we first came out here, we got set up over here in the middle. And then we were surprised by a stocking truck coming down this road and dumped out 2 trucks full of rainbow trout. We're thinking about 50 to 20 inchers and probably 100 to 200 of the 10 to 15 inch. They stocked that hole. They dropped a bunch of eggs. That's another stocking hole. So we set up right off of it. We've caught about between 2 of us 20 plus inchers, a bunch of 10 to 15 inches. Today's the last day of the year, New Year's Eve. So make sure you get your 2025 fishing license and come to Sand Lake. Try to catch some of these big stocked rainbow trout. We're at Sand Lake, and where did they go? Oh, they're stocking. They've done 2 stock trucks full. Once they leave, I'm gonna go put the tent right on top of that hole.
Okay, we're gonna let it go. It's sounding good.
23, 24 inch female rainbow trout. He just drilled these holes, busting out eggs. Yeah. Woo. Better get your fishing license. I got mine already. Y'all better get yours. Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's a nice one. Okay, let me get a picture. Oh, that's a nice one. Damn.
I see why you were.
It's been an amazing year fishing. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Hopefully you guys had a blessed year. We out here slaying the last day, 2024. Epic. It's gonna be epic.
Last day of the year.
Last day of the year. It's gonna be epic. We end it with a bang. Oh, that's a nice fish. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's a nice fish.
Oh.
Marking, bro.
I mean, honestly, I'm surprised we even caught those since they're just stocked, you know?
Yeah.
So they might be a little skittish. Yeah!
Yeah, he's one. Decent one.
Not bad, not bad.
Photo.
Good looking one.
We got a mix of different sizes.
Fish.
Get it.
Let's see what it is. Smallie.
I think we just stocked those 2, dude.
Yeah.
I think it was 2. It was 2 different stock.
Yeah, that's why they had the big truck.
Yeah, they had a big truck and a small truck. Just want to use a triple hook and freaking just kidding, April. A decent one.
Not shabby.
Oh, got him good, dude. pliers?
No.
I got one, but it's like not really.
50 or 100?
Probably like 50, you know? They usually don't.
Snag on the bottom. I'm surprised they didn't put any char. They usually put char at this time of the year.
And they're trying to get rid of their broad stock.
Oh, damn.
On the drop.
I think it's weeds. No, it's a fish on the drop. Looks better.
Yeah. Ooh, that's a nice one. That's like 15. Big one.
I think that's a big one.
Yep.
No, nope.
Decent one. Put up. Like an 18 or 16. Yeah. Okay.
These things are slippery today. Chunkers.
I'll keep falling.
You take my picture?
Yeah, I'll take a picture.
Send this to Robert and be like, you don't gotta go to the valley.
Okay, we have my zoom. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if I zoom on the fish, then you're like right out. Alright.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the last one you got was the nice big one. Big one?
Yep.
Let it run. Alright guys. Let's see what kind of monster this fish is. Happy New Year, everybody. It's been a nice year fishing. You should double tap it just in case. How's your hook though? Your hook is strong.
They got a decent hook.
I trust your knots, but dude, what is that? Oh my god!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everybody.
The drag wasn't that loose either.
It could be a monster char.
Nah.
Dude, if you get a monster char, I'd be so jealous.
Don't get my hopes up.
Yeah.
It's just a 23-inch rainbow.
Oh, no way.
Can you grab that bump board?
Yeah.
Under my backpack?
Yeah. Why is it fighting so hard, bro? What is it? Is it a Laker? Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. That's a fatty. Nice one. Woo! Let's get a picture. Let's keep that one.
Huh?
Let's keep that
Yeah.
one for the smoker.
It's a nice one.
That's a nice color one. Damn. Oh my god. Damn, how many fish are y'all really? Let me get
Three
one
big ones.
Hold it sideways. Yeah, like that. 1, 2, 3. Alright, cool. Fuck it. Yeah, let's keep that one.
Ooh, hammer. The hammer. Is it going? I can't tell.
No, it's not.
Why would it be turned off? Play it.
Yep.
Whoa. Nice one. Boy.
It's under 20 then. Damn, these fucking fish are on fire.
I don't know what's up with your heater. It keeps turning on.
Yeah, this under. Give me a photo.
It's 20?
It's 19.
Nice.
$18 now. Nice fish. Look at that.
Woo!
Big one? Yep.
Better one. Ooh, boy.
Still slaying.
Not as big.
Oh, he's
Still decent.
I got 14.
Ooh. Yeah. HOA baits. Oh, he took my minnow head. Riley's is closed for Chinese New Year. Oh, fish on.
Big one? Oh, yup.
I don't know if it's a big one or a medium. It's a medium.
It's a medium.
Medium rainbow. Hello? Oh, here's FaceTime. Try to FaceTime. I just seen a big one going right underneath the ice.
Yeah.
See how many rainbows we can catch real quick. Smaller ones. Fishing like 5 feet of water, just hitting the bottom and then reeling like 2 reels. fighting weird. Oh, that's why. My eyes are freezing up. Oh, right off the draw. Oh, lost him. Just stock where I'm fishing in this exact hole. I think that's where there's all these little ones here. We just caught a bunch of 20 plus inches right in the tent behind us, about 10 feet away. A nice little football, healthy 12-incher. Have some good colors to them. How many more can I get in before my this battery dies? Let's see. Oh, there he is. Oh, missed him. Using these HOA baits, dragonfly larvae. This actually might be a mayfly larvae. I honestly don't remember. Either way, HOA baits on Facebook or going to B&J Sporting Goods and get some HOA baits. I've caught most of my good fish on them this last couple of ice fishing seasons. It's definitely a good lure. There's a lot of other good options too though. But it works if you can't tell. Oh, he broke off and got me snagged on the bottom. Oh, missed it. Come on. Keep losing them right under the ice hole. There we go. If you made it to the end and you're still watching, thank you very much for watching. You have a great rest of your day. If you liked, please like and subscribe.